This is in a subway station on 53rd Street. This is one wall, tiles. I have no idea what it means. Religious experience meaning it's just a tile wall. Little, just like quarter-inch tiles. Turn back here. Keep going. And it just keeps going. Down and up. This makes sense. It's a ring. It's a ring here. That makes sense. Keeps it going around. This goes to the floor. Still going. Turn around. Show you some more. Keeps going. Doesn't stop. It's amazing. Whoever did this had a good night's sleep after this. And guess what? We're coming to an end. It's an unbelievable ending. It's really dramatic ending. Blah! There's the ending. Hope you enjoyed the ride. There it is, the whole wall. There's another wall on 53rd Street in Lexington. This one's a little more colorful. It's just not all yellow. It's all little tiles. Somebody had a good time doing it. The tiles all over the place. Hold on. All the way down. A little abstracts here and there. See that concussions? Somebody did this. And this keeps going on forever. It's on. And on. See, look down. It's a hell of a long wall for tile work. Circles and squares and triangles and obstacle angles and all kinds of angles and blah blah stuff coming out and boxes. And somebody had a good time making this one. Really good time. But I didn't lose a lot of sleep here. Good times. Nice cylinder here. Go back down again. Look. All the way down to the end. Right here. It's all the way down. Let me see if that's the ending. Yeah, it's the ending right here. This is the ending. The whole wall. There it is. It's the whole wall. The whole ending.